In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in paperless statements with Bank of America. Going paperless is a quick way to reduce clutter and get your statements securely online, whether you use the website or the mobile app. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to make sure your notifications arrive reliably. Start by signing in to your Bank of America account, either on a web browser or through the Bank of America mobile app. Use a trusted device and a secure internet connection. If you prefer the app, make sure it's up to date so the menus look the way I describe. Once you're in, navigate to Profile and Settings. On the website, you'll usually find this in the top navigation or under your profile icon. In the app, tap the menu icon and look for Profile and Settings in the list. Inside Profile and Settings, choose Paperless Settings. This is where you control how you receive statements and documents for each account. You'll see a list of eligible accounts such as checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. Next, select Go Paperless for the accounts you want to enroll. You can opt in for one account or for all of them. The choice is yours. Take a moment to review any disclosures presented on screen, since they explain how online delivery works and where to find your documents. Now, verify your email address for electronic notifications. This is important because the bank will email you each month when a new statement is ready. Confirm that the address shown is correct, update it if needed, and consider adding the bank's email domain to your safe senders list so the alerts don't land in spam. If you manage multiple emails, pick the one you check most frequently. Finally, save your changes. Look for a confirmation message on screen. You may also receive a confirmation email letting you know that paperless delivery is active. From now on, you won't receive mailed statements for the accounts you enrolled. Instead, you'll get monthly email notifications and can view, download, or print your statements at any time from the Statements or Documents section. Keep your contact information up to date so you never miss an alert, and remember to sign out when you're done, especially on shared devices. If you ever need a physical copy, you can download a PDF and print it directly from your account. That's it. You've successfully switched to paperless statements.